Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Silver has now reached or nearly reached that support zone and actually has formed now a nice ABC structure down. Also now 5 clear waves in the C wave to the downside. So I'm going to talk about that in this video. Not going to talk about the bigger picture. We did that in previous videos. This is a bullish structure. Directly bullish against $27.30. That's the 78.6 retracement of this 5-wave move to the upside, which started on the 1st or 2nd of May actually, and peaked here at around $32.50 on the 19th and 20th of May. So against that support zone here, the focus can be on higher prices. The question now is, so I'm calling that a 1-2 setup. I'm looking for the next rally to start soon. I'm going to look for it as long as we're holding $27.30. A break below it requires a reinterpretation of the chart, but this is currently my main thesis. Looking at the 1 hour, if I'm zooming in here a little bit, zooming in, we can see that this here is likely an ABC structure, which is pretty much in line with the previous update, ABC. Highlighted to you that I think can't remember where we were in the last update, somewhere here, and I highlighted to you I'm looking for a B wave bounce at some point, but it actually formed a slightly lower low, which gives us actually nice 5 waves down in wave C now. And it's possible that with this clear ABC structure to the downside, all of wave 2 finishes, but it takes a break above $32 here to make that more probable. Until then, it's definitely possible that we're forming a larger wave 2. Regardless of whether we go up more directly after the next move down, or if we do this, the expectation is still for higher prices. So it's up or up. The only question is how deep is the pullback going to be? Obviously, below $27.30, as I said, I would have to reinterpret the chart, but it would not make the chart bearish. It would simply cause us to take a look at a larger degree pullback of the next wave degree. But I can only share with you that we really have the minimum number of waves required to complete this C wave now. And therefore it's possible that tomorrow or so, we're going to see at least a local reversal here. I mean, the next support is really here at 29.83. We are very close. Might be that we get like one more dip, touch that level, and then attempt a rally, and then the resistance area highlighted here in red. By the way, at the moment while I record this video, there's absolutely no sign that the 3-wave pullback is complete. Okay, so what I'm telling you is, based on the structure, it is likely that we now get a bounce, at least a bounce, or maybe already the start of the 3rd wave from this region. And if that's going to be here at $30.10, or if it is from 29.83, we will have to see. There's no reaction at the moment. So depending on how you trade this, you could use the fib levels to look for reactions, or you just scale into the support zone, or you wait for a breakout. I mean, there are many ways of trading this. I can really only share with you the relevant levels and the structure, my ideas about the structure. And so, and that means, you know, this maybe there's a tiny bear flag here. I don't know, it's like too small to be reliable. Hold on, I've locked that for some reason. So yeah, so, you know, this is now getting too small to be reliable from an Elliott wave point of view. You have too much like bot trading in there, but that's the one, you know, you see already that the downtrend seems to be slowing down. Yeah, you start to see here how how it is more and more difficult for the sellers to push the price down. So I can only share with you, maybe tomorrow or so, pay attention for a possible bounce in what would be most likely wave B, or already the end of wave 2. We won't really know until we form the next 5 waves up above resistance, followed by the 3-wave pullback. So 1, 2, 3. That could just be a B wave. But if it's forming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we can add the next support region to the chart for the next ABC pullback. And that would be the next setup, okay? So that's how we are rolling here on the silver chart. Still a bullish structure. I gave you all the levels that you actually need to know, also the upside breakout levels, and just pay attention for a possible reaction. It's getting more and more probable that we get a bit of a bounce there now. Yeah, that's my update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.